is what you'll need for Spanish trench coat shrimp. I don't know why it's called that, but who am I to question it? It's one of the favourites of Spanish tapas bars. So you're going to need some prawns, get large ones if you can, an egg, some fresh parsley to garnish, some beer. I've gone with alcohol free, but feel free to add an alcoholic one. Some saffron. If you can't get saffron, get saffron powder like me. How authentic it is I don't know, but it tastes like saffron, so it'll do. Dash of baking powder and some plain flour. First thing we're going to do is just measure out your beer into a bowl. There's half a cup. There's another half a cup. And then into there with just a quarter teaspoon of your saffron. Just put that to one side. Into a large bowl with a cup of your plain flour, teaspoon of baking powder, and some salt and pepper. Give them a quick mix round. Form a little well and drop the egg in there. Then into there also with your beer and saffron, and get these mixed up until they form a nice smooth batter with no lumps. With your batter nicely mixed, it's time to get some kitchen roll, and we're just going to dab the prawns dry. And then just going to drop your prawns into your batter mix and just make sure that they're all coated. Into a pan with a generous portion of oil. Use a high smoke point oil if you can. Put some batter in to give it a test. That's frying up nicely. So we're going to go in, shake off the excess, and then it's in with your prawns. So halfway through, just turn them over. When your prawns are done, put them onto some kitchen roll again and just give them a dab to get the excess oil off. Then we're going to garnish with a bit of parsley, in my case a lime, or you could use a lemon. And then really these are so delicious. Just get stuck in.